Go, okay. Pressure cooker.
Poacher.
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 Okay.
Then this is steamer.
Steamer.
Casserole.
Casserole.
Bracing pan.
Ha?
Bracing pan.
Bracing. Bracing pan.
Omelette pan.
Okay. Omelette pan. Okay,
Then these are saucepan.
saucepan.
Martini.
Martini.
Red wine.
Red wine? But CS, iba yung red wine namin. Oh, really?
Margarita.
Margarita.
Dinner plate.
Okay, dinner plate. Show plate. Okay, ka-remember pa ko.
Serving spoon.
Serving,
fork.
serving fork. Soup.
Soup.
Ay,
Soup spoon.
soup.
Yeah.
Soup
What's
spoon.
next? Kamukan eh.
Food cover. Chopping board, of course.
Wooden spoon.
Okay.
Food turner.
Ha?
Food turner.
Food turner.
Grater.
Grater.
Metal spatula.
Okay, spatula.
Then this is rubber.
Rubber
Rubber
spatula.
spatula or plastic scraper.
Okay, the wooden spatula.
Wooden spatula. Then slotted. Slotted ladle.
Okay, slotted ladle.
Soup ladle.
Laki naman yan.
Soup ladle.
Soup ladle. Nasa
This is
muffin.
pan.
Okay, muffin
Cooling
pan.
rack.
Ha?
Cooling.
Cooling rack.
Vegetable steamer.
Ay, talaga, vegetable steamer.
Baking pan.
Baking pan.
Ingredients plate.
Ingredients plate. Colander.
Colander. Baking sheet.
Ha?
Baking sheet.
Baking sheet. Ay, napa diha?
This is weighing scale.
Yeah. Weighing scale.
This is a electrical portable mixer.
Okay, electrical portable mixer.
Mortar and
And
pestle.
pestle, pestle or pestle? Pestle.
Wire whip.
Ha?
Wire whip.
Whisk as in WHISK, always say. Wire whisk.
This is
Measuring spoon.
Measuring cup.
Measuring spoon, measuring cup.
Strainer.
Strainer.
Then pastry cutter.
Pastry cutter, di tawagan na.
Fruit squeezer.
Fruit squeezer.
Then this is egg separator.
Okay, egg separator. Kani.
Pastry blender.
Pastry blender.
Peeler.
Okay, peeler.
Kabalo ka ani.
Okay, egg cutter.
Kabalo ka ani. Kabalo ka ani.
Ay, kata.
Ano man eh.
Letter M.
Muddler.
Katawanan kini tay kay gihimo jud nang tagtara na tong FPS na mo. Cutter. Yeah, these are my classmates sa Commercial Cooking NC2. Yeah, yun naka-yellow na that is our instructor, Sir Bong.